Hello and welcome to issue 57 of Build Your Own 3D Printer, the 3D Create and Print. Okay, what we've got this week, we've got this wire. I'll tell you about that in a minute. But it's the print head feeder cable. Car making turns into 3D printing. The usual web access code for the designed files is 7151167. So you can print cars from eco-friendly urban compact to extravagant stylish hypercars. Car makers turn to a 3D print as a key design and manufacturing tool. Blade Force Supercar, the world's first supercar built with 3D printed parts, was unveiled 2015. Its unique chassis built with 3D printed aluminium joints. The Toyota i-Road, the tiny motorbike stroke car hybrid vehicle, was swappable 3D printed body panels that personal touch. So turn like a motorbike into a car. Blinding buggy. To find a design for its new car, Local Motors ran competitions, cash prize, and the kudos went to Portland man Kevin Lowe, design of the LM3D. "3D print is used for rapid prototyping as well as end-use parts. Okay. Building a house part 2. This is for the blender. The design file, the detailing with extrusions. This is what we want, the print head feeder cable. I'll show you in a minute. So we've got to take a cover off to do that. And this is for the design files. Great Pyramids Part 1. King's Chamber, Queen's Chamber, unfinished subterranean chamber. Tent rope tightener. Spaghetti measurer. Never know quite how much spaghetti to put in the pot. Avoid wastage or hunger with this neat pasta measurer. So I suppose that holds for one person, that holds for 2 people, that holds for 3 people, that's for 4, so that's how much one person will eat, and that's how many spaghetti for 4 people. There's nothing worse than putting too much spaghetti in a pot of boiling water and then having to throw most of it away because you've overcompensated, unless of course it's not putting enough in the pot and leaving everyone with a few strands in the sea of sauce. Tiny agricultural robot. You can never have too many mini robots in your life, especially if they're as brilliant as this little fellow is. Fully educated straight off the printer, it stands, sits, moves, and its arms and swivel its head, or it prints in one piece. Okay. And then next week will be the cooling vent, which would go just there. Well, obvious really. Oops. Okay, so let's get on with this build. Basically I've got to take these four this panel off. So I do it in magic style. Abracadabra. Ta-da, got this bit off. Okay, so let's take this bit out of its packaging. It's a rubber band. Take the rubber band off. Anybody want a free rubber band? Okay. I suppose it doesn't really matter which way around this cable goes. Quite a long cable, this one. JP7. That one there by the looks of it. Actually, before I put it in, I don't know if you can see, but there's making sure it goes the right way in, there's a kind of a little bit what sticks out. A little bit what sticks out to make sure it goes in just there. That's what makes sure it goes in the right way. And then there's a just there's a a little slot where it fits in just on the outside of that cover. I don't know if you can actually see that, but there you go. Just make sure it's pushed in properly. I hope that's in. I think this goes under. Apparently the socket will only fit one way round, so we go one way. So here's the difficult bit, putting this cover. See, that's the motor from last time. The wire's going in there. It'll be a bit difficult doing this. Do it like that maybe. They do make it so easy in the video. are one moment. So that's that bit then. Got to tighten up these 4 screws. And that's it basically. It's just take this cover off, put the print head feeder cable in, and that slot down there, put it underneath here, underneath here, through this cover, making sure all these other wires are underneath this cover as well, up through here and out of this cover here. So I presume that this, or maybe because it would go over, I think maybe, and fix onto this for the actual printing bit, goes there maybe, but we shall see. So that's it. Very quick and easy. And it does annoy me when they supply a part like this cover here, and put it on, and then you have to take it off again. This is like a few weeks ago, they supplied this power bit, fix that on, and then the following week they supplied this USB port. The only way to get that USB port on is to take this power switch off, just to get that on. So they do it backwards. Anyway, thanks for watching. So got the fan next week, apparently so. I presume she'll connect up to maybe this board here, because I can't see anywhere else on this. It's either it may connect there, if not there, just there. There's only 2 places where I can see that it may connect, but we shall see next week. So that's the 3D, the Vector 3 BuildYourOwn 3D printer, issue 57. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.